Hello, welcome to another episode here at Big Man in the Woods. Now today we're in the garden and we're going to be making some edible reindeer food. It's all here on Big Man in the Woods. Right, so these are the 5 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen, bar this one. Hopefully that's not in your kitchen, but that is some birdseed, some rolled oats, some chili flakes, and this will stop the rodents, the rats and mice eating it, some nice grated cheese, and some mixed fruit. And this is all the ingredients that you need. It's so simple, and you can mix it in a bowl, or if you're a bit like me, you don't want to do any washing up, you just get a bag. If you're going to make this for a present, make it into a nice cellophane bag or something. You put some nice ribbons. But as it's just me and the kids, just going to make it. I'll just move this to one side. Unlike blue pizza, I haven't made any before. We're going to make it here live. So all you got to do is very simply pour the mixed oats, the nuts, the cheese. Make sure you get all the cheese. London Wildlife love the cheese. Mix that in there. Some mixed birdseed. If you've got any grubs or anything like that, some little worms, throw that in there. And then we need a dash of chili powder. Now the birds can eat all these things, or the reindeers should I say, but the chili powder doesn't really affect them, so it doesn't matter. But like I say, it will keep the rodents away. And then all you got to do, throw it, mix it up. Now we have lots and lots of reindeer food that we can put out in the garden on the doorstep and not have to worry about any of the wildlife eating it and getting really sick because they've eaten the supermarket stuff that contains glitter and other bits of plastics and decorations and sparkles and stuff. All this was just made in the kitchen that I found lying around for just a quid or so. There we are. Easy. Like I say, if you're going to make it into a present, put it into a nice bag, bit of ribbon. But now we're going to do, give it to the kids, sprinkle it on the floor, Christmas Eve, and hopefully they've been good, and Santa and the reindeers will come and gobble all this all up and deliver us some nice Christmas presents. So there we are, making some edible, safe wildlife reindeer food just for you. As simple as that. Until next time, guys. Happy camping and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you next year here at Big Man in the Woods.